Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you a very interesting accessory for PC. It's an ergonomic design mouse. Now, if you spend a lot of time working in your office or at home using a mouse, or if you play a lot, if you're a gamer and you spend a lot of time gaming, you probably notice how uncomfortable it gets after a while when you're using a traditional mouse like this one. You know, like this is a very regular, very boring mouse, right? You use your arm like this. And you know, there's a lot of conditions associated with spending a lot of time using the mouth just like this and with your hands. You get muscle strain and a lot of other issues that can arise from prolonged time using it. So this one pretty much fixes that. Now, when you use a traditional mouse, your arm is actually twisted. The muscles are not in a neutral position. They're like the muscle is twisted this way so it can, so you can fit the palm into the mouse. By using this one, in the other hand, pun not intended, use it vertically, so the arm is actually in a more ergonomical position. It doesn't force the muscles as much. So by using this mouse, you always have your arm in a very comfortable position and you can work, and it has all the buttons you expect from a traditional one, the scrolling thing in the middle, the two buttons, and even some other buttons here on the sides. Now, as for connections, you can connect with a USB cable. I have it right here, a micro USB cable that connects in the front of the mouse right here, or you can also connect it with Bluetooth. It has a dongle right here attached in the bottom. I'm removing it right now. There you go. You just put this USB dongle into your computer. It's a Bluetooth connector pretty much, and then it will connect wirelessly and you can use it without the use of any cable. So that's pretty much it. If you're tired of using a traditional mouse and you feel your arms are tired and you just don't feel comfortable, try this one. It's a vertical mouse. It's very, very good. It's very healthy. It's really a nice and innovative piece of hardware for PC. Check the link below for the price and all the other details you need to know about it. And like and subscribe and check gearbest.com. We have plenty accessories for PC, but this one is a really interesting one that I'll be using myself. So thank you for watching.